Hey guys, so I have here this Opel Adam, and today I want to show you how to replace the light bulb for the side blinker here. So this is really easy because you don't need any tools to do this. So you just push the housing of the blinker here to the front of the vehicle, and then after you've done that, then you can move the other end away and then pull the whole assembly out here. Now you see this wire is really short, so you can't really pull this thing out very far. So now you twist here the socket counterclockwise to remove it from the housing. Then here, this is where you see already the light bulb. And the type of the light bulb here, that's W5W. So this is what we need to replace this, and just pull out the old bulb. And in case the socket falls right into the fender here, then you can just easily pull this out. It's not a problem, you can easily reach it in there. So then we just reinstall here the new bulb, and after we've done that, we're going to check that the seal here, the little black ring there, that this is still in place, didn't go anywhere. Of course, this is really important for that, so that there's no water intrusion later on. So now we have the new bulb in place, we put it back into the housing of the blinker, and then we of course we twist the socket here 90 degree now clockwise to really seal it. And as soon as we've done that, we can reinstall the housing, and we do this here in the opposite way. So you see here on the left side there's this little spring here, that's what we install first. We put this into the fender first, and then we push it against it, so we're going to push towards the front of the vehicle, and then we can slide the rest of the housing into position, and then we're already done. So yeah, this is how easy this is, installing of the new light bulb here.